In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send more than 25 MB file in Yahoo Mail. If you've ever tried to attach a big file and hit that 25 megabyte limit, don't worry. There's a simple way to send it reliably using a shared link. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. Click the official Yahoo Mail result to go to the Sign In page. Sign in with your account to access your inbox. In the new Yahoo Mail view, look toward the top left corner and click the Compose button to start a new email. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. If you're emailing several people, separate each address with a comma, or type one address and press Tab to move to the next. Add a clear subject line so your recipient knows what the message is about at a glance. Then, write your message in the large body area. A short sentence that explains the file you're sending and why it's important can help your recipient understand what to do next. If your attachment is small, you can click the paperclip icon and attach photos or documents as usual. But for files over 25 megabytes, you'll want to use cloud storage and share a link instead. This keeps your email light and ensures the recipient can download the file without errors. Open your preferred cloud storage service in a new tab. Upload the large file there. When the upload finishes, look for the share icon, often shown as a link symbol or a person with a plus sign, and click it. Choose the option to copy the shareable link. Before you leave this screen, make sure the access settings allow anyone with the link to view or download the file. This is important so your recipient can open it without requesting permission. If privacy is a concern, set it to view only and avoid including sensitive information in the file name. Go back to your email draft in Yahoo Mail and paste the copied link into the body of your message. You can add a brief note like, "Here's the download link for the file," so it's clear what the link is for. Give everything a quick check: recipients, subject, message, and the link. Then click Send. That's it. You've successfully sent a file larger than 25 megabytes by sharing a cloud link through Yahoo Mail. This method is fast, avoids attachment size limits, and works smoothly across devices. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.